after more than 3 years of construction, the largest statue in the world is on its way to an opening in October 2018. The huge Statue of Unity in India will rise to an extraordinary 600 feet or 183 meters, almost double from the height of the Statue of Liberty. This gigantic feat of engineering will exceed the current record of the tallest statue in the world. The Statue of Unity is designed to be a great memorial to Vallabhbhai Sardar Patel, one of the leading figures of the independence movement of India in the early 20th century, often known as the Iron Man of India. The remarkable project is being built in the Indian state of Gujarat, in front of the Sardar Sarovar Dam on the Narmada River. The statue is built on a fluvial island that will connect to the mainland through a long bridge. Inside the statue there will be a visitor center and a museum with an observation platform integrated into the statue's chest. Other planned phases are expected to expand the entire development footprint, including a hotel and convention center. The whole plan is on such an amazing scale that it's the kind of things you cannot believe are being built until you really see that it's almost complete. From an engineering perspective, this is also unimaginably massive. The consortium of several companies that manages the design and construction includes Turner Construction, best known for the project that manages the construction of the Burj Khalifa. In recent years, the 2 concrete cores of the monument have been successfully built, around which structural steel scaffolding will be installed to support the bronze exterior panels that shape the statue. The first bronze panel was installed recently, taking the statue to its final phase of construction that will see its true form emerge in the coming months.